Happy morning, children. Valka Velamudan. How you all? Yes, I'm fine. Hope you all are fine. Yes, Joe. Are you eagerly waiting for my class? Yes, thank you. Yes, today we're going to see the chapter 2 in civics. Okay, the chapter 2 in civics, that is diversity and discrimination. Okay, the first chapter in civics we saw this diversity, understanding the diversity. We saw what is diversity. A diversity, a vast range of difference in and around us is called diversity. Yes, no. We saw in that first chapter, they had given the Samir Ek and Samir Dos story. Yes, no. Even though a lot of difference among them, both is community different and the religion different, everything is different, even though they were close friends. Yes, we saw that is diversity. People were friends, and whoever may neighbor for us, their mother tongue is different, the way of dressing is different, food habits different. Someone is very interested to play cricket, someone is very interested to play tennis. Okay, with the variety of difference is called, this the variety of difference is called diversity. Today in this lesson, in this chapter, we're going to next one is discrimination. Okay, India is a diverse country which has peoples belonging to different communities and religions. Each of these communities has a unique way of speaking, living, praying and eating. Yes, children, each of these communities has a unique way of speaking, living, praying. Everybody is having their unique way. Their mother tongue is different. The place they live, that is different. One is in the, because that we are saying in the geographical diversity. Okay, a place near to the region of the coastal region and mountain region, plateau plains, everything. Okay, here they are saying unique way of speaking, living, praying and also eating. Even though this much differentiation we have, but sometimes we look some people we look down upon. That means we don't treat equally them. This may we think they are not like us, and they were different, they are different from us, and hence inferior too. This is called discrimination. Yes, children, have you understand what is discrimination? Discrimination means we think that some people are different from us and inferior, hence and inferior to us. That make them discriminate. That is discrimination. Okay. Yes, here you see the first picture given you the diversity. Okay. Yes, there are 5 persons are there. Two are disability and one is a different color skin they have, everything, even though they are same. Okay, that is diversity. The next picture, this picture explain you what? This is called discrimination. Okay, children, we discriminate. We think they are different. So we think they are inferior to us. So this is make the discrimination. Okay, dear? Yes. Here, diversity of our country. You know about discrimination now. Just we go through the diversity. What is diversity? The vast range of things that we find in and around us is known as diversity. For understanding diversity, let us take an instance, say on our Mother Earth. Yes, here I am giving examples. Our Mother Earth is the example for the diversity. How? In what way? Yes, in the way there are different varieties of things such as plants, animals, rivers, trees, birds, flowers, etc. So the earth is not only for the human being. Okay, there are a lot of varieties, living organisms and non-living organisms such as plants, animals, rivers, trees, birds, flowers, etc. This is called diversity. The difference, okay? The different, that is called diversity. Okay, what are the diversities? What are the types of diversities in our India and all over the world? Yes, cultural diversity, geographical diversity, religious diversity, racial diversity, disability, and age diversity. Okay, these are the types of diversity in the world. Cultural diversity, each one from different culture. Okay, their customs and culture is different. It is differentiate from place to place and person to person, region to region. Next, geographical diversity. That means what? A person who lives near the coastal area, they have their own lifestyles. Their dress is different. Their food habits is different. Their adaptation of the place is different. Then a person, those who lives in the mountainous areas, their way of dressing is different, their food habits is different, their lifestyle is different, their how they spend their free time, everything. Okay, that is geographical diversity. Religious diversity, that we know in our India we followed more than in the world, more than 8 religions followed. Every one of them in our country, every single of them practice in our country. Okay, this 8 religions practice in our country, and in our country more than 1600 languages used by the people as their mother tongue, and also more than 100 forms of dance we have in our India. So religious, how many religions in the world? 8. Okay. Major religions in our country is 6. Then how many languages spoken by the people of India? 1600. And how many dance forms we have? 100. Yes. Then racial diversity means that colored skin. Okay, skin color is called racial discrimination. Then disability, a person who unable to do their work on their own, that is called a disability. That is hearing impairment, speaking impairment, like that, walking impairment, everything. Then age diversity also we have, different in age. Yes, here you're going to see the example of geographical diversity. Here I'm giving the Ladakh. Already we learned, even though just you go through it. Ladakh is situated in the northeastern mountainous part of Jammu and Kashmir. In this desert area, very little agriculture is possible. This is because the place does not receive abundant rainfall and is usually covered with snow. Even for drinking water, people have depend on the melting water from the mountains in the summer months. Okay, but that part is where in the northeastern mountainous part in the Jammu and Kashmir. It is a mountain area, arid region, desert region. Okay, dears? Yes. Next example, Kerala. Kerala, a state on India's tropical Malabar coast. It is in the south-west part of the India. Has nearly 600 kilometers of Arabian Sea shoreline. It's known for its palm-lined beaches and backwaters and network of canals. Inland or the Western Ghats mountains whose slopes support tea, coffee and spices plantations as well as wildlife. Yes, first we saw the places in the mountainous region. Here the places near the coastal region. In the both places the people have different types of lifestyle. Okay. Then religious diversity. As I told, in the world there are 8 major religions followed by the people. Each one of them, every single in our country practice each one of them. Okay, then next. Yes, this is very important. We're going to discuss today in our sessions. What are prejudices? Okay, what is a prejudice? Here I am giving the definitions. Prejudices refer to the practice of judging other people negatively or seeing them as inferior. This is called prejudice. Okay, dear. Do you understand what is prejudice? Prejudice is referred to the, here I missed the T, to the practice of judging other people negatively or seeing them as inferior. Okay. Yes, children, do you hear what? Have you heard ever the people in villages, they don't have the table manner. We often hear like that. The people in the villages, they are not decent, they not behave decent to in front of others. And we say the people in the city, they were very selfish. These sentences we may hear. Okay. And also other things, without the checking fact, we are using the people who speaking in English, they were very smart. Okay. In these things we are saying. And have you ever heard some people making of fun or saying something making other people to hurt about a particular community? Okay, such as we said no now that people in villages, they don't have table manner, and people in cities, they are very selfish because they not at all take care of the neighbors. They don't know what happened to their neighbor's house. These things we have heard. Okay, are you think these things are correct, true? All the people in villages, they are not have the table manner. All the people in the city, they are selfish. Are you think like that? Yes, it's not correct, children. Okay, but we use these sentences and statements that is called prejudice. Okay, prejudice means previously, without knowing the fact, without knowing about them. We are not have that much enough knowledge, enough fact about the person or a thing. We are giving the statement. Okay, we are judging the people. That's previously. That is called prejudicious. Okay, yes, the previous content. Now you understand what is discrimination and prejudice and diversity. Diversity means what? A vast range of variety of difference in and around us is called what? Diversity. Discriminations, because of some reasons we discriminate some people, that is called discrimination. We avoiding some people. Okay, that's called discrimination. And prejudice. Okay, prejudice, we give the previously we are judging the persons, what, how they are behaving, what was they are thinking, everything is called prejudice. Yes, understanding prejudice. We can prejudice about many things. People religious, beliefs, the color of their skin, the region they come from, the accent they speak in, the clothes they wear, etc. Often our prejudices about others are so strong that we don't want to form friendship with them. At times we may even act in ways that hurt them. Yes, children, do you know sometimes our prejudices may hurt their feelings? Okay, yes. How, in what way, if we prejudice some people? In what way? Yes, for example, I said to you, the people in the villages, they don't have table manner. Okay, if we are going a hotel or a restaurant, if we saw a person from village, if they eating in another table, if we saw there is if we saw in a different way, or we give any comment over them in any different, if in a hurting way, that is called prejudice. Why these people are like this? We are showing our face. We change our attitude. Everything means that is prejudice. That we prejudice them against them. Okay, dears. Here we can prejudice about many things. What are the things? Your religion, people's religious beliefs, even sometimes the color of their skin. The regions, they come from the accent they speak in, how they are speaking. They are not at all use the best words. Then the clothes they